Guys, so in this video we want to look at how we can edit using InShot. So this is our InShot application, and this application is only available for now that I'm aware of on your mobile phone. So that is why I have to do a pre-recorded video. Okay, so to edit on InShot, just go to your InShot application. You will need to download it. Go there and open it this way. You will click on video. Since we are editing video, you will create new video. You click on video here and you click on this plus sign. You will go to your gallery and pick a video that you want to edit. So I have a video that I recorded already on my gallery, and I would like to use the video as an example. Okay, so just trying to find this video and select. Okay, so I have a pre-recorded video. I'll just pick one of it. So let's say this is the video I want to edit. I'll put it here. You can see this video is recorded in landscape mode, and I'm going to first of all change the size from mobile size to landscape so that it can fit in my video. So I'll come to canvas here, the first option, and I'll pick it. Then I'll select 16. I'll select this. Since my video is in that size, I'll select it, and you can see that the mobile shape size has been removed. Okay, then I'll click on OK. So when I'm done with that, so for this video I can add some text to it. Then if I am adding text, I'll click on T. This is T for text, and when I click on it, I'm going to also click on the text here. Since I want to type in some text, let's assume that I want to add caption because I'm speaking and I want what I'm saying to be written out as text, so that when people are listening they can also be reading it on the screen. I will select caption. Okay, if you want to add sticker, you will select sticker. So let's see how we can add each of these. First of all, let's select text. So let's say the text, now I want to add my name or anything at all, probably the title of your video, or you just want to write any text at all on the video. So this text, you can edit it in different way. You can change the style, you can change the color, add shadow, remove shadow, add label or remove label. Do you understand? So you can do many things with it. You can play around. So if you want to make the text to appear throughout the video, you will click on this arrow here going to the right that says click here, and then you will drag and drag until it gets to the end of the video. You can see that it appears all through. Okay, so let's see, we can also apply stickers. This is sticker, and there are different kinds of sticker here. So look at this laughing smiling sticker. If you want to add sticker, you can add sticker different, but make sure that whatever you are adding is something that is related to your video. Okay, now that is how to add sticker. If you want to make the sticker to appear throughout also, you drag it to the end, but let me just leave it like this. Okay, so when you are done with that, you click on OK. You can also add audio. This video already has an audio, but let's assume I don't want the audio to appear. Maybe I just want to put some music, or I want to put additional audio in the background. I will click on audio and I will click on music. If it is music I want to add, let's assume that I want to record a voice over. You know what a voiceover is? Maybe you added a video. For example, you are doing a video vlog of my visit to one fun place, maybe to an amusement park, or maybe something that happened in school, and you recorded the video. Then you want to explain to people what happened. So that's then when you upload your video like this, you will click on record. So when you click on record, you will start talking on the video, just like the way I'm talking on this video. Hello, for example, you say, hello guys, this is me trying to dress up to go to church today. Now we are in church. Then you show another scene that shows you in church. Now we are in church. Our teacher is taking the Sunday school, or we are having our Sunday school class. After the Sunday school, now we've gone for the main service. After the main service, this is me going back home with my family. You understand? Something like that. Or probably you record a cooking video and you want to explain how you did it. Okay, so maybe you first of all, you have recorded the video, or you have the pictures of everything that you have done. Then you start uploading it and you do a voiceover on it like this and say, hello guys, okay, today I want to show you how I prepare my pasta salad. Okay, and you show them, as you are showing them the video, you are talking over the video. That is what we call voice over. So you click on here, which is record, and you can say do your voiceover on it. But if you want to add the audio, you click on this side, you add your another music on the background, then you click on my music. So if you want to add music from your phone, you now click on my music and click on open. These are some of the music from my own phone. Okay, so you can pick one from it. But if you just want to use music from the CapCut, then you can choose from featured music. And when you are done, all you need to do is to do okay. All right, okay. And let's add one music so that I can show you. Let me show you from my own music. This is a sound that I use in one of my videos. I'll click on use. You can see that the sound is already here. Now I can edit this sound. If I don't want it to be too loud, I will reduce it. Since I'm talking, let's play this video.
Are you a beginner virtual assistant? What part of calendar management are you struggling with? Or you're just
if you
starting
listen
out
very
and
well, you will
learning?
know
Let me
that
know in
the
the comment
sound is
section.
on the
Did you learn
background
something
of
new
this
today?
audio.
Or are you
Okay,
still
then
struggling
I'll
with
click on
calendar
OK,
management? Or do you have a
and
particular...
that is it with sound. There are other things you can do. You can cut out, you can split a video. You select the video, you click on split. You can see that a part of this video has been splitted into two. So you can delete the other part. Maybe if something you don't want, you delete it and it's gone out of the video. Okay, you can also split music or voice note and so on. So there's what we call PIP. So if you want to add another picture on your video, you click on PIP. Then you can add additional video, or you can add additional photo. So let's assume I want to add the photo, and this is the photo that I want to add. Probably in this video I was talking about this photo, then at the point where I mentioned it, I want to add it, I will add the picture. If it is video also, if maybe at the point I was talking about the video, I will just add it. You know how I did this? I click on pip, here to add additional video or picture to your video, just like this. If you like, you can, make it cover the entire screen, or if you like, you can adjust it just to show at the part and move it to wherever part that you want to put it. Okay, when you are done, just click this mark sign, and yes, that is it with your video. There are other things that you can do with your video. You can add animation. Okay, you can add animation, especially if you are recording, if you are using picture or photo to video. You can add animation. You can, if you have more than one clips, for example, let me add additional clip to this video. I'm just going to add this picture. So this is another clip, right? So in between these two clips, I can add transition. So this is the basic transition, you can see. So if this video is playing,
Also share
look
this
at how it
video.
moves to the next one. It moves in a very smooth way. I can add another transition. Let me show you another one.
This video.
So look at it, you can see the transition. So you can add transition in between different videos, the video clips. Okay, so I've shown you how to add text, how to add transition. You can also edit your video if you want to make it look maybe cleaner or brighter. Okay, you will click on filter. When you click on filter, don't just add the filter, click on adjust. When you click on adjust, you can change the brightness. Look at, I'm editing my video. Change the brightness, change the contrast. Okay, you can do the warmth if you want. I'm going to leave the tint. I'll click on saturation and I'll adjust it a little bit. Then I will click on highlight again, adjust it a little bit. I'll click on shadow. I'll adjust a little adjustment here and there, and sharpen. I will do this and do this at about 50%. Okay, then when I'm done, I'm going to click OK. So you can see that my video is clearer. Look at this. I want to show you, I will have shown you before and after of this video to see that the edit is brighter than it's the original video. Okay, so when you are done with everything, you click on OK and you can go ahead and download your video. Okay, so if you want to remove this InShot, it asks you to pay money or you can watch an advert. So I'm just going to leave this and I will go ahead and export my video. You click on export and you will choose export again, and your video will be downloaded. So we see that our video is saved on our system. You can see, yes, saved. Okay,